This is Mahmoud Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, and in normally we see the top view, front view, and right side view. But in here we just only have the isometric view, and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, in the top plane, I will draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 113 by 98. Then I will extrude it to 10 unit. Here you can see all the thickness like this one here is 11 unit, and also see this thickness also 11 unit, and also if we see this line, it also has a 11 unit thickness. So I will, after drawing that extrude boss of 100, I will use the shell features and I will shell it to 11 unit. Okay, then let's select the top plane. Now sketch. Now select the center rectangle and place the rectangle to the origin. Now dimension it. Now dimension it to 113 by 98. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 100 unit. Now press OK. After that, go to shell features and in a dimension it to 11 unit and select this top face, and to get a better view, check the show preview option and also select this front face. It will give our the shell shape. Now select OK. In here we can see we have another triangular extrude cut like here, and this triangular extrude cut has a horizontal distance of 38 from this line and a vertical distance of 19 unit. So I am going to select the left face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. For drawing the triangle, I will first draw an inclined line. After that, I will select the smart dimension option. Now dimension this inclined line, and this horizontal dimension will be 38 unit. After that, also select this point and dimension it to 19 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. We have seen we have doing good. You can normally it to again. Now select line and close the line. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 11 unit. Now press OK. After that, in here we can see that we have, I will extrude cut this extra portion, and this extra portion in here we can see that we have a circular face, and this circular face has a dimension of 25 radius, and so I will first draw a 25 radius circle like here. Then I will dimension it to from this center point to this vertical line to 88 unit, and from this and here is our circle, and from this center line to this horizontal line it will be dimensioned. We can see that it will be dimension 63 minus 25. Then I will close the shape like this one. Then I will draw the inner circle of extrude cut. This inner extrude cut circle has a diameter of 38. Then I will use the trim option and trim this extra line. So I am selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the circle. Now draw a circle of 25 radius. Then go to smart dimension. Now select this circle center and this vertical line and dimension it to 88 unit. After that, also select this circle and from this horizontal line dimension it to 63 minus 25 unit. Now press OK. Now select the line option and place the line here and draw a vertical line. Now again draw a horizontal line. Now again select the line option and from this upper point draw a horizontal line of 88 dimension. Now draw a vertical line to close the shape. So we have drawn the upper part shape. Now it's time to draw the extrude cut circle shape. So I am selecting the circle option and placing the circle to the center. Now dimension it to 38 diameter. Now press OK. Now select the trim option and trim the unnecessary line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 11 unit. So you can see it is selected automatically these two line. If it doesn't select automatically, you can press and select them by manual also. Now press OK. Now isometric it. In here, now we'll draw an inclined line like here. Already we have an extrude cut here and an extrude cut line here. So if we join these 2 points, we'll get this inclined line. Then I will close the shape and it will extrude cut 11 unit. So I am selecting the back face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select a line and place line to this point. And also if you hover here, we can see we have another point locating here. So click this point. If you want to make sure, you can also check by span dimension. Select this point and select this vertical line. It is showing this is 11 unit dimension. It is over dimension because we have already dimension in other side of 11 unit. Now select the line and close the shape. Okay. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 11 unit. Now press OK. We are almost quite done. Now here you can see we have another rectangular shape in here, and this rectangular shape has a dimension. In this side it will be equal of this line, and in this side it will be dimension of 113 minus 67 minus 11 unit. So here you can see we can first draw this line by using convert entities. Then I will use the offset to offset this line, and the distance between these two lines will be 113 minus 67 minus 11. And in the offset option I'll select the cap end and close this shape. Then I will extrude boss. Then I will extrude boss it to 16 unit. So I am selecting this top face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now in here I will going to select this line. Now use convert entities. Now go to offset entities option and now dimension it to 11 unit and select this line and reverse the direction. Oh sorry, this distance will be 113 minus 67 minus 11. Okay, make sure to click cap in line. Now press OK. After that isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss is to 16 unit. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.